Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over the Fibonacci retracement levels. In our last video, we talked about the RSI, and I mentioned that I was going to make some individual videos for each indicator that I use on the TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim platform. So that's what this video is going to be about today. Real quick, this is not financial advice. I'm not recommending that you buy into this stock that I have on the chart. Okay, you should always do your own research before investing and all that. Also, if you find value in this video, please share it with a friend, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. That way you can keep up with other content that we have coming out. So other than that, guys, let's get right into it. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'll go to my drawings, drawing tools, and I'm going to look for the little percentage icon, which is here, Fibonacci retracement. And I'm going to click on that. The time frame that I'm on is the 180-day 4-hour time period, and if you don't know where that's at, it's up here. You can set up your time frames. I'm going to find the absolute lowest that this stock has been in that time period, which is 46 cents. I'm going to click it once, and you'll see that there's a blue line that forms on the chart. I'm then going to drag it to the absolute highest point, which is 566. Then I'm going to click it, and what will happen is it'll keep it in place and form lines that are red. Okay, and what happens is it forms key support and resistance levels for this particular stock. Okay, and basically your support level on this stock would be $3.67, meaning if the stock starts selling off and coming down, when it hits this level here, 367, it's going to do one of two things. It can either bounce up off of 367, which would be a healthy move and showing good support, or it can bust through that support and have more potential to the downside. Okay, anytime that a stock bounces off of a key support level, that's a healthy sign of price strength, and that's what you want to see. The top line here represents resistance. So resistance would be 443. It basically acts as kind of like a glass ceiling, and basically it's telling me that when the stock starts to increase, if it gets rejected at this price, then people aren't valuing that particular stock really any higher than that at that particular time. However, if it busts through that 443 and comes up, 443 is now at the bottom of that price, so now it actually acts as support, and then the higher number of 566 would now act as resistance. Okay, so if I'm going to enter into a stock, and this would kind of be a good example because I'm not sure exactly what's going to happen with this stock here, I'm going to watch and see if it continues to come down and test that support level. Okay, if it gets close to that support level, I'm going to watch it close and say, well, is it going to bounce off on? Is it going to bounce off on it? Is it going to bust through and continue to go down? Because I might be able to get it at a cheaper price. But if it bounces off and we start seeing some more upward momentum, then I might be able to have an entry here, ride it up to the resistance, maybe set a stop loss, and either one, take profits, or two, ride it up in case it busts through that key resistance level. Okay, and this retracement level is going to follow over to the other time frames as well. So as you see, I moved over to the 180-day 1 hour. You won't see all the way back to the 46 cents just because it's a shorter time period. However, you'll see the most up-to-date and accurate information of that price action here. So I can still see the support and resistance level here on the 1 hour time frame, and it's still the same. So 367, 443. So anyway, guys, that's basically in a nutshell what the fib levels are. And every time that this stock gets a new high, I would take the Fibonacci retracement level off and redraw this set. So let's say that this stock shoots up to $6 and it busts through that key resistance level. I would just go ahead and remove my fib level, and then it would clear it off. So then I would go back and redraw it. That way I can get a more accurate support and resistance level for my chart. So anyway, I hope this helped. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment below. Other than that, we'll see you guys in the next video.